open up the space, the investment, what is available for super rich, now we are able to make it accessible for others as well. That's the biggest thing about what we are doing, and see this as a future, and huge amount of capital allotment is going to happen. And there's a lot of tech work and a lot of business. I just quickly like
that we wanted to bring to the Indian population as well as global Indians. Because if you see today in India, some of the biggest landlords are companies, foreign companies like Blackstone and Brookfield. Most of the assets are owned by them, but the common Indian has not been able to invest in these assets. That is what technology is kind of helping us do. And I will now give it to Munappa, who's our Chief Technology Officer. He was part of the Amazon founding team earlier. He is creating the tech backbone which is enabling us to democratize investments in alternatives like this.
As Sandeep mentioned, we are using technology to sort of give these opportunities that Shesh spoke about with the proverbial touch of a button, right? So we are going to make it very easy for investors like you and us to sort of invest in these alternative assets and make it a no human contact kind of investment, right? Everyone's used to investing in stocks, mutual funds, everything today because of all the apps that are out there.
Co-founder and CEO of fintech company BHIVE.fund. I am extremely glad to announce that we just raised strategic investment from the biggest name in the fintech world in India, Nikhil Kamath. His Gruhas fund of Nikhil has invested. We are also backed by one of the biggest names, Blume Ventures, one of the biggest names in the VC world. Extremely excited about it. We started this company last year, January, the fintech entity. This is a sister concern of my original company that we are doing, BHIVE Workspace. This is doing extremely well. It is helping individual investors invest into asset classes like commercial real estate, business opportunities, international real estate, etc. We have got a whole bunch of other set of investors like Nilesh and Prashant, who are Lead Squared founders. We have got a lot of prominent people. We will be doing the press release. There are a lot of good people who have backed us. I'm extremely glad that good set of names who are, who can vouch, who understand the startup world, they have made investment with us.
What is the minimum amount of deposit?
Okay, now if you talk about the actual business in itself, right? So when I say investment from Nikhil, etc., they have invested into the company, as into the equity of the company to take a stake with us. Now the fintech company's main business is to work with individual investors. We raise at a minimum of 10 lakh investment, and people can invest in commercial real estate. For example, we have an asset on 100 feet road, Kormangla. The people are making investments in it. A minimum 10 lakhs is there. So 10 lakhs is the minimum size.
Period of deposit?
Long term, so you invest if you're looking at minimum 12 months, but literally it is lifetime, right? So as long as the asset exists for tens of years, so they have the ownership of the asset forever until they want to exit.
What is the message for the public from your side?
The message would be, I think one is that we really want common man to look at their portfolio and look at other asset classes that the super rich or the ultra HNIs, whatever you want to call, they are making better returns, better usage of their money. We want people to have better awareness into what are the other options available, understand there is risk, adjusted returns, there are monthly income products, etc. Whatever investment you would make, obviously you have to think only if you understand, make those investments. We are finding those people, only those who understand what we are doing, only from them we take money. So people have to build awareness so that they can make more money like the